Okay, so just introduce the thing.
Okay, this is the potential difference Liberty Electric prototype that's being sent to Liberty, and we're introducing the operational paradigms now to Ian.
Okay, good.
Okay, so fire away.
So the first thing we do is we take 12-volt battery and we connect that across conventional coil, voltmeter to measure the battery voltage.
Yeah, and here's our battery voltage there.
And there it is. And then we connect one side of the conventional coil to the battery, so later we only have to make a single connection once the system's running. We also have current clamp on the positive lead from the conventional coil, so that once we connect the positive lead we can measure the current flowing in that circuit.
Right.
Okay. We then have the leads from
this connection demonstrates the conventional generator armature reaction.
And provides a load as well.
Yeah.
And then this set of leads, the green set of leads, is from the regenerative acceleration coil, and predominantly these are connected up to a voltmeter, which allows us to infer the rotor speed.
Yeah.
And we also have a shorting link to demonstrate the effect of shorting out the regenerative acceleration coil.
And infinitely loading the regenerative acceleration coil, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we noticed in our last test, 850 volts is akin to what, 2400?
It was about 2,500 RPM was about 850 volts, or roughly, approximately.
Okay, so now
other things, fan running on the motor to ensure the motor stays cool during use, which is the noise in the background.
And make sure the motor is switched off before you engage your variac.
Yeah.
Okay, so crank that up to over here, and then there's one on there, so you can just crank that up to 120. Okay, and go and switch it on. Give the rotor a little.
So then you just need to disturb it. So
give the rotor a little spin clockwise first.
Yep. So this is again non-linear system. It's at an unstable equilibrium. You disturb it.
Yeah, that's just talking torque. That's.
But it is. It's an unstable equilibrium. Once you've got the coils in the motor energized, it's an unstable system.
Yeah.
So it will now accelerate until it finds a stable equilibrium point.
Okay, we'll put this on DC and clear away. So you want to be ready on here.
Have him come to your side, so
come over here.
You can just stand over wherever, as long.
Once you start getting close to 2500, you're going to want to
back off
crank
voltage,
up, down to about 100 volts probably.
What number are you at there, Ian?
This is
no, here on your little dial here.
Crank it down. Just leave it there. Try it there.
Okay, so now, around 830 volts, about 2,380 RPM. Still dropping off a little bit of speed, so we'll just a little bit more.
You want to make sure that it's just decelerating. Okay?
There we go. I've just gone past the equilibrium point now, so it's now starting to slow slightly.
Okay, so put your conventional coil on.
Coil onto that
go. So now what's happening is the conventional coil is creating a counter force, counter electromotive force, and the regenerative acceleration coil is creating complementary force, and it's working with the motor.
And the current into the battery is now 0.35.
Yeah.
Disconnect this.
Well, leave that one on and take the regenerative. You want to make sure that when you take the regenerative acceleration coil off, it decelerates again. Can you just disconnect it?
Yeah, sure. So it's 2495.
You want to make sure.
Now 2480, so it's dropping off.
You want to make sure that the motor is not able to contribute to the acceleration. Okay? So when you take that off, if the motor is still accelerating, the input's too high.
Yeah.
Okay?
See now that starts to accelerate again. And this.
Now you're going to get maximum acceleration.
See.
Take it off, take the red one off, let it go up. Let it go to 26 and then put it back on. I just want to see what's going to happen. If it's going to decelerate or keep accelerating.
That's 2600 RPM. It's still accelerating now, even below 1 note. Take that coil off, now we see deceleration.
Yeah, you always want to make sure that when that comes off, that it's not accelerating. If it is, then the motor's got, if it is, then you have to lower the input.
Yeah.
Okay?
Any questions, Ian? I'll record these.
No, I don't think there's any questions
Well,
there.
it's just-
Any instructions to him?
Let me do a full setup from
disconnect
as
the
it's
whole
come out
thing.
of the box.
Yep, I'll
Yeah.
disconnect the whole thing and
So there are no questions or there are no comments towards. Okay, so I'll just show it.
Just